Stop! Before you buy any processor in 2025, the processor wars just went nuclear and I'm about to blow your mind. What's up, Tech Fam? I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and today we're ranking the most insane processors of 2025. Number 1. NVIDIA's Blackwell B100. This thing has more transistors than there are stars you can see. We're talking trillions of transistors. It's literally a supercomputer on a chip. But AMD said, hold my energy drink. The Ryzen 9950 X3D is crushing games while sipping power. And the Threadripper? 128 cores. That's like having a small army of processors. Don't sleep on Intel. The Core Ultra 299K is their revenge story. Raw, single-threaded speed that'll make your game scream, "Yes, Daddy!" Apple's M4 Ultra isn't the loudest, but it's the smartest. Unified memory architecture. It's like all your computer parts became best friends. The wild cards? ARM processors that'll run for 2 days straight. Your laptop battery will thank me later. But here's the truth bomb. There's no single winner anymore. AI? NVIDIA. Gaming? AMD. Efficiency? Apple. Battery? ARM. Which team are you on? Drop it in the comments. Team NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, or Apple? Smash that like if this blew your mind. Subscribe for more tech madness, and I'll see you in the next one. Next week, the phone that changes everything.